Hi, I'm Sean Essex, Lean Manufacturing Engineer and Environmental Spokesperson for Innovative Health. Hospitals can do many things to reduce their environmental impact, but by using reprocessed devices instead of new, they can immediately reduce the impact by 50%. I'm proud of being a part of that. However, at Innovative Health, we believe we can reduce the environmental impact of the electrophysiology lab even further. As the Lean Manufacturing Engineer, I participate in every design process right from the beginning. My job is to make sure we avoid waste and reduce resource consumption as much as possible throughout our operations. There are many ways to do this. At Innovative Health, we focus on 5 main areas: reducing waste, saving energy, using more environmentally friendly resources, avoiding overproduction and overprocessing, and finally, packaging. Let me show you a few things we do here at Innovative Health to further reduce our environmental impact. Innovative Health is actively looking into alternative cleaning agents that are not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. We continue to develop new reprocessing processes and are currently in the development stages of employing an EPA-registered cleaning and disinfecting agent that kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, yet breaks down into water and other organic components naturally in a short amount of time. This will eliminate the amount of environmentally harmful chemicals used in our cleaning process and will reduce the amount of water used by 61%. We are continually reviewing and improving upon our cleaning process for 2 reasons. First, we want to ensure the cleaning process is effective and consistent. Patient safety is our primary goal. Second, we want to ensure we are not overprocessing the product or using only what is necessary to achieve our strict levels of cleanliness. Innovative Health is currently working on a project that will optimize our cleaning process, reducing the amount of environmentally harmful chemicals by 12% and the amount of water by 58%. Reducing production reject rates is a critical manufacturing objective, but this does more than help the business. It reduces the impact the business has on the environment. By reducing reject rates, less resources are wasted and more material is kept out of landfills. In the past year, Innovative Health has reduced the reject rate of 2 of our leading products by 13% and 8%. Additional projects are underway to reduce the reject rates of other leading products. I should also note that we are able to remanufacture or reprocess a much higher percentage of devices than what was estimated in the Fraunhofer study. Manufacturing improvements that reduce the environmental impact can occur throughout the process, not just when cleaning the product. In one particular case, we identified redundant inspection methods in the process. By eliminating the redundancy, we were able to reduce the energy needed for reprocessing. Through additional validation activities, Innovative Health has been able to reduce the water consumed by 50% and the energy by 33% at the final rinse step. This is yet another example of how process improvements can positively affect Innovative Health's environmental impact. Overproduction is another manufacturing waste that not only impacts the business, but the environment as well. When a facility produces more than what is in demand, physical space and energy is required to store the excess product. If a product expires, then resources consumed to reprocess that product were wasted. At Innovative Health, we are constantly adjusting the production schedule to match customer demand. In fact, approximately 98% of what Innovative Health manufactures has immediate demand. This also allows us to reduce the resources needed to store excess product. Medical devices have to be protected when shipped, and most must be shipped sterile. This means that an awful lot of cardboard and plastics are used in packaging medical devices. Many of our hospital partners are concerned with the amount of waste generated from this. In reprocessing, packaging is used to send used devices from the facility to Innovative Health, and to ship reprocessed devices from Innovative Health back to the facility. While we can't control what the hospital does with used packaging material, we can ensure that the potential for environmental harm is as low as possible. We do this through package design. At Innovative Health, we are doing everything we can to reduce packaging material while not jeopardizing the integrity and sterility of the device. First and foremost, we avoid used packaging material that cannot be recycled. In fact, all of our packaging can be recycled: trays, cardboard, pouches, etc. Also, while we can't reuse the boxes in which devices are shipped to our reprocessing plant to ship boxes back to the facility, we can and do use them internally.
As for the material used to ship devices from the hospital to Innovative Health, we ensure that boxes and trays are sent in large quantities in order to drive down energy consumption associated with shipping. Our dedicated packaging engineer, Matt Graham, is involved in the design process from the very beginning. His task is to ensure that each packaging solution has the lowest possible environmental footprint while protecting the device. If the packaging does not protect the device cannot be reprocessed, and the positive environmental benefit is lost. An example of how we do this is the ViewFlex packaging. ViewFlex is a diagnostic ultrasound catheter that can cost as much as $2,500 or more from new. When sending it to the customer, it must be properly protected in a backer card and box. However, we looked carefully at standard manufacturing packaging and determined that we could reduce the number of square inches of packaging material by 26%. This means that 26% less carton is used and 26% less inside protection material is used. These things make a difference. A reprocessed electrophysiology device is less than half as harmful as a new device. At Innovative Health, we are ambitious about improving this even further. We believe we can reduce the environmental impact by an additional 5%.